Alright, so I'm just leaving work and finally I'm going to go to Mandy's Cafe for Taco Tuesdays. As we say now, in a real life with Dante, so this is where I work. So we have our Mandy's Taco Tuesday, and I will let you guys know how the tacos taste, if they're banging or not. Be quiet. Right? Alright, enough you. I'm out. Alright, so I forget a little holder thing for the phone, because I can't see and I'm hand hold it, so I'm gonna get one. But yeah, on my way to Mandy's Cafe, and as we say now, just covering some places. Alright, so I like a food. So this is by Discount Car Crescent, see? And yo, them liquor spotter sometimes have some nice food. I don't know about the food around this, but the right liquor spotter is so bad. But yeah, check out the Mandy's Cafe and see them say Taco Tuesday, so you know, try some and see what I want. Now overdo it. I can watch the calories. Everything go. Yeah. You know what I mean? But anyways, you know, hope everybody who's watching right now, you know, you having a good day while they're watching this video. You know what I mean? Just remember, yo, take care of yourself. Self-care is of massive importance. You know, make sure not take care of yourself. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say take care of yourself, eat right, exercise, bathe. Yeah, cause what I realize is the most common thing with, you know, persons who might be going through a depressing period or so, they know I'm bed. Yeah, you get up in the morning and you feel one kind of way, just give a shower, man, and get yourself ready for the world, you know what I mean? As I say, don't dwell too much in the past unless are good memories. You understand? I dwell too much in the past. Yeah, past with bad memories filled with regrets. Future, you have to plan for your future, you know that, but not too stress out yourself about the future neither, because the anxiety that be living at the now, right now, while you watch a video right now, be in the moment right now, find out what you can do to make yourself be at a better place right now, or if you're having a good time, enjoy it right now. You understand? That's why they call the present, you know, because it's a gift. Yeah man, enjoy it right now, you know? But anyways, wait till we reach around for now. I'm on this place and I show you what I want. And it's not just to highlight food, it's to highlight small businesses. And Mandy's Cafe is in a kind of industrial area. Well, if I'm not sure now. Mr. Tire, who was a big car business and them type of thing around there. So them money want rice and peas and chicken and rare and this type of thing. You understand? Them not really used to them like a, what you call it now, like deli type food and them something there. You know? Hamilton's machine in shop and them something. Them money want some dumpling and yeah man. You know? It's also just to highlight you know, small businesses like this. So yeah, see how like a sign out for the front. No, do our thing, you know. She do her thing. You know what I mean? So when I get in, show you guys what's popping, what's up. Alright? So we might have all our little signage, you know. Up on place. You know, nice. Yeah man. So go up the like a stairway. Delivery man upset. Yes, so I go up a few steps and come around a little corner here. Signage again. You know what I mean? Show you some more thing official. Yeah. You know? But off and press. And these things. Yeah. Hi.
How are you?
Fine. Thank you. So I'm telling us, so this is what the setup looks like. Yes, and this is a beautiful sea area. There's your ball out. Yeah man, the place is nice. So I'm going to order now. And I'll tell you how the thing go afterwards. But I want to just check out how the place. Ambience, nice and everything.
Sanitize.
Clean and everything. Yeah man, from in my car. Remember sanitize again?
Yes.
So see, they enforce all of these things, you know, make sure I say sanitize and them something there. And all of these things. So yeah man, you may say. Give me a minute, me show now. Some food forward in a nice bag, you know. Yeah, and a plastic bag and scandal bag and them something there. You understand? So I got shrimp. And you look for my taco full of shrimp. And a piece of shrimp in my taco. You understand? And a piece of shrimp in my taco. Now, this is the chicken one. So I got two because I have some greedy people in my yard and I don't want them eat all the food. But may I tell you? Yeah. Wait, we got like a condiments on the side, like a salsa looking. Oh, go on, boy, go wait. You have a bag of things, man. You understand? Like some pico the guy and them type of thing they are going on and stuff. But me telling all the taste, but I'm sure it's going to taste good. I'm sure that it's going to taste good. But yeah, sure now the taste test part are going to reach home, alright? Yeah, so finally go try one of the taco, you know, and see what I go on. Man, they have a couple of condiments and them little things. So it's like a ranch, and this look like either salsa. Yeah, so this is salsa. Smells nice, fresh. Alright, so I am going to sample one of these and shouldn't drop out. Yeah. These tacos. You're the one, blessing. And tell you what's going on for it. Alright. Fresh. Shrimp is done to perfection. A bit of heat. Some spice. Not too much mayo. Not too much of a sauce thing. Yeah. Man, yeah, go on. Yeah, go on, yeah, go on. Yeah. Man, this is a go on. No joke. No quantity of flour. We got purple cabbage now. Purple cabbage, purple onion. It's bad. Up on a Tuesday, you can check out Mandy's Cafe. Car Crescent. No. Miriam Way. Car Jazz Plaza, I think. Yeah, oh, that's up. Bad. Alright. I sample the chicken one with some of the salsa and some of the ranch and see what I go on. But yeah, peeps, check it out. It's a small business. You know if we support the small business, then we know everything go. Alright, so you know everything going on. In real life with Dante. Now watch a big shrimp there. So look out for another video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Don't know what the video is going to be about, because you don't know. How? Not real life with Dante. See? Look for yourself. I'm out.